To export your Debank portfolio overview, follow these steps. First, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Portfolio tab to view your current portfolio. Next, locate the Export button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the portfolio page. Click on this button to open the export options. You will be presented with several export options, including CSV, Excel, and JSON. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If you want to easily view and analyze your portfolio data in a spreadsheet, CSV or Excel are good choices. After selecting your preferred format, choose the data range you want to export. You can usually select from options such as all time, 1 month, or 1 year. You may also have the option to select which specific data you want to export, such as transaction history, asset balance, or portfolio value. Make your selections based on your needs. Once you have made your selections, click the Export button to download your portfolio data. Depending on the size of your portfolio and the amount of data you are exporting, this may take a few seconds. Your exported data will be saved to your computer as a file in your chosen format. You can then open this file in a spreadsheet program or other compatible software to view and analyze your portfolio data. It is a good practice to regularly export your portfolio data for record keeping and tax purposes. Additionally, analyzing your portfolio data can help you make informed investment decisions and optimize your portfolio performance. By following these steps, you can easily export your Debank portfolio overview and gain valuable insights into your investment activities. Remember to always keep your exported data secure to protect your financial information.